believe we got this one fixed. Water. Make sure it's not leaking. But anyway, what we got here, I bought this off a man. He said that it caught on fire, and I can see where soot and stuff right here come out. So anyway, to take this apart, there's two screws in the back right here, one right here and one right here, and then you pull this forward and flip it up, take the lid switch connection off right there, and you'll pop these two clips right here out. Put a screwdriver down here, just pull it forward and pops out. Lay these aside, and then you can just pull this forward and pull it out. And let's see what caught on fire. I don't see anything under here. Huh. Caught on fire. I can see something right here. I don't see any soot underneath. All the wiring looks okay. I would suspect maybe this capacitor, but it looks okay too. Okay. Huh. Alright, well, we're gonna plug it in. Let's put a lid switch bypass on it. I'm thinking maybe here. Well, I don't know. Got no clue. You might get shocked. You know what I ought to do? Take this back there, because I'm mostly using stuff back here. And that way, well, for the time being, I will use this. Over here. And that's got a ground fault on it. And I'll put that one in there once this stops. Ground faults are good to have. You won't get zapped. Okay. Let's put it on spin. Haha! I see. So what burned up was the ground fault, was the lid switch. This is where the fire came. Yeah. Yeah, that'll do it. That will do it. Let's get this a door lid switch. That's easy enough to fix. So we got us a nice machine because the lid switch burned up on it. Looks like they may have bypassed it because it's gone. This one. Yeah, looks like they probably bypassed that. It shorted out under there, and they were scared to redo it. There we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, it got their attention. Put that in there. Let's wipe this soot off. And you know what? I need some screws for this. Right here, you get some off one of these little machines. Where's all that water coming from? Yeah, it came from out of that machine. I had to pick it up. Still got some in it. Yeah, you try to get as many parts off these old machines as you can before you ship it off to the scrap yard. Alright, quit draining. There it goes. The thing I like about this machine is it doesn't have a bleach cup in it. Perfect. Put our ground wire right here. Now, see if we can find the clips. Let's find a clip for that. I got clips. That one might work. Probably will. Get a couple of those. Works well. Very good. That's one piece agitator. Sure enough. What is this? Wind chime. There's the knobs I was looking for. Okay, good deal. So, all right. So we just pressure wash this thing and we'll probably have us another good machine. Let's get all these leaves and stuff out of the bottom of it. Lazy dog. You a lazy dog. You don't care, do you? I don't care. Oh, he just lives to ride. You say G.O. and he's at the truck looking at the door. Oh, you gonna open the door? You gonna open it? Come on now. Yeah. I need to get a rake back here. Spin on that one. Spin on that one. Tested the other. Yeah, we got a nice little machine. Wish I could find my green screwdriver. I don't know how I lost it. Now first I gotta fix this man's machine. He changed the water valve. Said this thing broke, hot water and sprayed up in there, so it may have compromised that control board. We got another control board right there. First, let's look underneath it. Wow. A little bit of oil. Oh yeah, that belt. Belt's got a lot of grease on it. You need to change the belt. We'll take that. Add a sheet. Can't pull that tape off without tearing it, so I'll fold it back over, tape it to inside there. No words behind that. A hair in it though. Alright. So it needs a belt and possibly a control board. We will put it in line to test next. Now let's just set this one back together. We had to do a little modification. What am I hitting? Had to do, yeah, I believe it did get hot. Put this one this side this time. And we want to test our lid switch in the lid. Perfect. Yeah. I only had one of these. We're going to get another one. I should have looked. Yeah, missing one right there. I have got some of those somewhere. On account of I use them quite a bit. I have to go out there and get one off the other machine. But I know I got some in one of these bins. You know, I used to know where everything was. I see him. I see him right there. I don't know what's in that one, but I got one. Perfect. Yeah, we done fixed it for the man. Done fixed it for the man. Those self-leveling legs down. And we'll make up a ticket. So it did catch on fire. Fixed. We did some body work on it, so he needed a left console piece we did this body work here, and got a lid switch. Oh yeah, and a screw thingy, used screw thingy. Did 3 things on it. And we will charge appropriately. Not too bad. Or a decent machine. He said it had caught fire and set it in his barn, and now he wants it for a spare. Could I fix it? I said, well, I can try.